Hello everyone, how are you? Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how can we store binary data to MySQL and retrieve that binary data and convert that data into file. Okay, someone asked me about this video yesterday, so I have time today, so I'm making this video. I hope this video will be very useful for you. Please watch the entire video very carefully. Okay, so here first we will create a MySQL table. Okay, so I go to MySQL and here I will use my sample database that I have been using in my previous videos. Okay, this is the database. Let me show you tables. Okay, here I'm going to create a table named file, and in that table I will store images. Okay, in this video I'm going to store image files. Okay, so here let's create a table. Create table files. Okay, and there are columns: id, int, primary key, auto, increment. Okay, and file data. For file data we will use blob type, and I will use long blob. Okay, and date. Okay, this is good enough for the example. Okay, so our table has been created. Now let's create our application, nano app.py. Okay, here I'm going to create a simple application that will read the file, and I will use images in this video for example. Okay, so it will read image file and store that image file to the MySQL database. Okay, so first let's create a GUI interface. From tkinter import everything, and from tkinter import I will call file dialog, so I'm importing file dialog. Okay, now here let's initialize tkinter window tk. Okay, and win.geometry 200 by 200. Okay, it will be good enough. Win dot title binary data read write to MySQL. Okay, win dot main loop. Okay guys, now here I'm going to create two buttons. First button will let me select the file that I have to store in MySQL database, and the second button will let me save file from read file data from MySQL and save that data as a file, binary file. Okay, to my working directory or wherever I want. Okay, so let me show you how can we do that. First we will create two buttons: button when and text save file to database. Okay, and command save file or save data. Okay, and then pack it. Okay, this is our first button. And for second button, when text read file from database, this button will let us save the file with the data that we read from database. Okay, read data dot pack. Okay, Now we need to define two functions, save data and read data. So def save data. For now I will simply return true, and the second function def read data. Okay, and here return true. Okay, now let's code the save data function right now. So here I will call the file dialog, so I can select the file that I want to store into my SQL database. Okay, so fn equal file dialog dot ask open file name. Okay, and here we can set initial dir, but I think in this example I don't need to set initial dir because I will pick the image from pictures folder or and from anywhere. Okay, so I'm not setting initial dir here, but I will set title select file. Okay, and I will set file types here. File types is also optional, but I'm going to work with images, so I'm just setting image files, image file. We will work with jpg. You can work with any file. Okay, like jpg or png or any other binary data file. This video is about images, but it can be used for any binary file, any software, any exe file, or whatever you want to store. Okay, this is just to teach you the concept of storing binary data to MySQL and then grab that data back from the database. Okay, that's why I'm just using image files here, star.jpg. Okay, and second function will be for all files. Please watch the entire video very carefully, guys, and do not forget to like and share my video, please, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on your notifications so you will not miss my upcoming videos. Okay, now here uh, okay, here I have to write SQL query, but let's create the database connection first. So import mysql dot connector. Okay, here I am going to create the connection mysql dot connector dot connect, and here I will set some parameters like host, localhost, and user would work, and sorry, password. We use passwd for password. Elephant, and database, it's a sample, right? I break line here so you can easily watch it. Okay, and auth plugin mysql native password. Okay, and here I will initialize cursor mydb.cursor. Okay, now here uh, see here I call the file dialog, and we got the file name obviously after calling file dialog. So now here I will write I will read the file data first. So with open, here I will call fn, and it will be read binary mode, so rb as f. Okay, here data, it will contain the file data, so f dot read. This is our binary data. This is our binary data. Okay, we will save it to database. Okay guys, now here let's write the query SQL insert into files, right? Files id, file data and date. Okay, values, for id we are using auto increment, right? So simple null, and here okay, and here now. Okay, now here we will execute it. Cursor dot execute SQL, and in tuple I will provide data. Okay, I hope you are getting what I am doing, and I hope you will learn from it. Let's set a message box. Okay, so call message box as well. Message box dot mm, I think I'm forgetting something. Message box dot show info, right? Okay, success. I don't remember message box methods actually, because I rarely use it. Okay, your file has been saved to database. Okay, now let's check this function first, then we will continue to read data. Okay, save the file. Oh, let me fix that please. Auth plugin, sorry I forgot comma here. Okay, you can see we have two buttons, right? When I click this save file to database, now let's select the image. So here I go, pictures, sorry, home, code work, and then pictures, and okay, let's select this airplane image. Okay, and you can see our file has been saved to database. Okay, so let's see, let's check it. MySQL, use sample, select static from files. No, it's not saved. Oh, okay, I forgot to commit the changes. Okay, let me do that. Okay, here we go. Here we need to call mydb dot commit. If we don't call this function, it won't make changes to database. Okay, now let's run it again, and here we go, home, code work, and pictures. Picture, where is the picture? Okay, here is it. Okay, okay, file has been saved to database, right? Now let's see, use sample, select static from files. Okay, you can see the raw has been added. It means we got it saved. Okay, so now let's continue to read data from database and save it to file. Okay, so nano app.py, let's continue coding to our read data function. Okay, here, okay, now I'm again going to create fn and call file dialog dot ask save as file name. Okay, and here I will set initial dir as os dot get cwd. Okay, so it will set initial directory as my working directory. Okay, then title, and title will be save file. Okay, and file types, we have to pass file types in tuples. So here image file star.jpg. I'm working with the jpg files in this example. You can set any file type, and you can store and read any binary files like documents or images or whatever you like. This is just for explaining the concept of storing and retrieving binary data from MySQL database. Okay, and the second tuple will be for all files. All files. Let me break this so you can easily watch it. Star dot star. Okay. Now here import OS as I'm using os dot get cwd. Okay. Then sorry, I had paused the videos. I had a phone call, so I had paused this video. Okay. Now here we will grab the data from MySQL database. So SQL select, I will select only file data. Okay, from files, and okay, and limit 1. I'm just going to work with the single record. Okay, so here cursor dot execute SQL. Okay, and here R cursor dot fetch all. Okay guys, now here for I in R, and I will save data from database to variable. So this is the binary data I0. Okay, this is our binary data. This is the binary from database. Okay, now here we will use with open fn, and I will set the mode as wb for writing binary sf. Okay, and here f dot write data and f dot close. Okay, and here I will set the message box, show info success. Okay, file has been saved. Okay, let's see how is it working. Save the file and run it. Python 3 app.py. Okay, and here see, you remember this button was used to save data to database. Okay, in this select file button, I was selecting the file and saved that file data, binary data, to MySQL database. Okay, and the second button is to save binary data from MySQL to file. Okay, so here see, I have test.jpg. It's empty, I think. Let's overwrite it, or okay, let's create a new file, test2. Okay, I hope it will work. File has been saved. Let's see, ls. Okay, test2. Let me see if it's working. Test2.jpg. Wow, okay, it's working. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, stay tuned for more better videos, and I will do my best to keep teaching you the best concepts in easy words. Okay, See you in next video. Take care. Goodbye.